Hi my dear traveler friends from all over the world. Today we are going to the series of video number 4 walking in Paris. Today we will learn about the tourist attractions. This is Trocadéro or in Trocadéro. We will descend to the Eiffel Tower. It is just in front, very close from the Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower is in the camp of Mars. Let's take a look at the terrain of Mars, which can take many beautiful and wonderful photos. After spending some time on Mars, taking pictures of the Eiffel Tower and doing a lot of fun, we'll be heading right along the Seine. From the Seine, we will walk to the Pont Alexandre III and close to the Pont Alexandre III, which is a wonderful tourist attraction and one of the most beautiful bridges in Paris. Nearby are the Grand Palais and the Petit Palais, which are two very important museums there, including the Petit Palais, which has a lot of fixed works to visit for free. Opposite the bridge is the Museum of the Disabled, which is nice, with the tomb of Napoleon III, right? Correction, Napoleon's tomb, not Napoleon III. Now folks, we're going to start our video. Those of you who have seen videos 1, 2 and 3 will remember that in video 1 we see the Louvre of the Louvre in the Tuileries garden. Tuileries, we went to the Place de la Concorde, walked the Champs-Élysées and finally arrived at the Arc de Triomphe. In today's video, because you already know how to get to the Arc de Triomphe. Because video number 1, who didn't look, watch the first video and I teach you perfectly how to get to all these attractions, don't I? Starting today from the Arc de Triomphe, we will arrive at Trocadéro, which is the beginning of our journey today. Come on, Paula, go on an adventure. Come on everyone, let's soar up to the Arc de Triomphe together. No, because from the Arc de Triomphe you will see people. There are a lot of streets there, a lot of streets that lead to the Arc de Triomphe. Which one are we going to go to? The Eiffel Tower, to the Trocadéro? Let's see from now on. You see? Guys, got it. From here, high flying, we walk to the Arc de Triomphe. You will see there are many avenues, many streets. Which one are we going to take? We're in front of the Champs-Élysées. We get to the Arc de Triomphe on the Champs-Élysées. We're going to pick people up. It's on this street on the left, you see. Let's turn around to be exact. Look at this arm over there. That's this street. On this street, we're going to pick her up. We're going to the Eiffel Tower. We're going to Trocadéro. It's a few minutes walk, very easy to get to and super quiet. We'll get there, in that Trocadéro square, folks. This area is easy to reach, very calm and quite enjoyable. Are you feeling good? In Piazza Trocadéro, what are we going to do? Let's take a look now, guys, at the turntable on the swap table. Let's be on this turntable. This is Trocadéro, a wonderful location in Paris situated near the Eiffel Tower. You will realize that you can get a lot of beautiful photos from this place. There's the famous Piazza Trocadéro. You can take some pretty pictures, and every time you see pictures of Paris online, a lot of the pictures are taken from this place, okay? So let's check out Piazza Trocadéro closely. I've been there for a year. It was after the Olympics and it was surrounded and couldn't take many pictures, but from now on you have free access to the place. Alright, let's examine the next street plan as we head lower to check out the surroundings. Paula is waiting. Look over there. That's the square we're heading toward. Let's venture down to explore the area. Ahead lies Piazza Trocadéro and we're arriving via Kleber Street on the right. We've reached the outskirts of the square and are now stepping into Trocadéro Square. Wow, it's an expansive space and absolutely fantastic. From there you will see the image of the Eiffel Tower appear in front of you. Look at something prettier. This spot lets you take incredible photos and absorb so much beauty. There are a few stairs down the front to go to the Eiffel Tower. Sometimes it can be crowded there. Did you notice anyone there? Now we're going to take a look from a height. So you can see the distance from the turntable to the Eiffel Tower. Just looking at the distance, it is simply too small only to cross the Helena Bridge, which is in Portuguese, and the Helena Bridge is just ahead. Alright, now let's discover the route from here to the Eiffel Tower. Let's take a closer look. That's the square, right? Right there, we were heading towards the stairs. I usually get off on the left, don't I? When you go down these stairs, you go to the Lena Bridge, right? From the Lena Bridge, you cross the bridge and you will reach the Eiffel Tower. You'll take a lot of pictures under the Eiffel Tower, but we'll go to Camp Mars, which is right behind the Eiffel Tower. This is Camp Mars, guys. From there you will take more pictures because the tower is so big, it is huge, so you can only focus from a Martian perspective. Now, at Campo Mars, we're going to go to the street plan and see what the place is like. Let's explore this camp and the people in Camp Mars.
No Campo de Marte.
You see the terrain of Mars from above. You can see it, can't you? The tower is right ahead. Now we're going to do a small descent. Let's imagine what this place is like. We are moving down now. There's a lot of people here. Look at the Eiffel Tower right there. Look at how big it is. You can't concentrate, right? Photos. The further you go, you can get a picture of the entire tower. You'll notice so many people enjoying the area, won't you? It was huge, and a lot of people had picnics there and had snacks there. You guys can aim your camera at the entire Eiffel Tower from behind because it's so big that the closer it gets harder and the farther it gets easier, and you'll get fantastic pictures.
Maravilhosas.
Check out how cool it is. Look here and there and see what a wonderful photo you'll get from the Eiffel Tower. Good folks, now, after you guys have visited the Mars camp and have taken a few nice pictures on the Eiffel Tower, we are going to walk down the Seine towards the Alexandre III bridge. Let's see it there. We'll go in that direction, we'll go through the tower, look at the Seine bank on the right, look to the right, and you'll see these green things that look like plants, but that's a flaw with Google Earth, okay? Those green patches aren't really on the Seine, are they? Green business, isn't it? We're going in that direction. This is the Pont Alexandre III, one of the most beautiful bridges in Paris. Now, let's take a look at what there is in the area of the Pont Alexandre III. Let's see. Glance at the bridge plan. What incredible monuments. Look at those golden angels shining beautifully. The first time I visited Paris, I saw the bridge from a distance. I was fascinated by it, and with the beauty of these golden angels shining in the sun, it caught my eye deeply. There are failing museums in this direction. Napoleon's tomb, is it there? Look over there at the top of the Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower is in this direction. Check out the details of these angels. Very pretty. They have a highlight in Paris when you look at it from a distance.
Across the way on the right stand the grand and little palaces, a sight to behold for all.
The bridge is worth seeing, folks.
She radiates true beauty and elegance.
Now we will cross the other side and I will take you in the direction of the Grand Palace and the foot of the palace, and then we will return to see the defunct museum. Let's see. Let's go in that direction.
To the left lies the Grand Palace, a majestic structure resting over there.
It is a very beautiful museum, very pagan to visit, and it is paid for. Meanwhile, the museum on the right, known as the Little Palace, hosts permanent exhibitions and offers free entry for visitors. Muito bacana. Cross to the far side of the bridge and take a stroll around. You'll find the Museum of Failure, Napoleon's tomb, and countless other fascinating attractions to explore. This elegant golden dome, visible from many corners of Paris, truly dominates the city's skyline in a majestic way.
Fica muito em Paris.
Okay people, these are the 4 sites in the video. You see it is very nice, easy to reach and not very quiet. Paris is well connected and it is very good because when you can see from the height and the street plane, when you go to Paris you won't get lost. You will be able to find, look at the talking places here. I have to go because these videos of mine are very important to you and you can do that. You can focus on a specific city and you can share this video with your friends who are on a trip to Paris, right? It is very important to enjoy the video also. It is important to YouTube forward to more people. If you like this video, you think it is important, it helps a lot. Click there and give your gem, which is very important to us. If you don't sign up for the channel, if you sign up for more videos, you will have other attractions in Paris. Next attraction, we will head to the Montmartre area, where is Sainte Cathedral. And it's not just Sacré-Cœur, it's in Montmartre. There are several other tourist attractions that you can visit. That's it for today. Sending hugs and kisses. See you in the 4th video.